General meaning and nature of philosophy. Number 1. The word philosophy is derived from the Greek words philo and sophia, which mean dash and dash. The answer is love and wisdom, because just the word philo talk about love and sophia, wisdom. So it is named as love of wisdom. Number 2, according to the text, philosophy can be etymologically defined as love of truth, love of logic, love of knowledge, love of wisdom. The answer is D. It must be love of wisdom, as we have seen even from the first question. Number 3. Why is it difficult to give clear-cut definition of philosophy? A. Because philosophers disagree on its importance. B. Because philosophy has no specific subject matter. C. Because philosophy is based on religion. D. Because philosophy deals only with natural science. The answer is B. Because philosophy has no specific subject matter. And then number 4, according to Socrates, philosophy begin in dash. A. Fear. B. Doubt. C. Wonder. D. Knowledge. The answer is C, because it starts with wonder, as we have seen even in material. So it is C. Number 5. The wisdom that philosophers seek is mainly characterized by A. Technical expertise, B. Critical habit and continuous search for the truth, C. Memorizing of the fact, D. Emotional feeling. The answer is B, because it seek these critical habits and continuous search for the truth. That is. So when we see these questions are the questions that have been taken from chapter 1. And the next is number 6. Philosophy is primarily deals with A. Issues that are universal in nature. B. Specific subject matter. C. Scientific experiments. D. Practical applications. The answer is A. The answer is because just philosophy is concerned with issues that are universal in nature. What it means by philosophizing? A. Reading philosophical book only. B. Engaging in the act of questioning, analyzing, reasoning about issue. C. Memorizing philosophical theories. D. Learning about ancient thinkers only. Then the answer is B, because philosophy is concerned on questioning, analyzing, reasoning about an issues. Because philosophy is all about issues. When there is no issue, no philosophy. When there is no problem, no philosophy. When we have no thought about anything, not any issue, no philosophy at all. So it is that. Number 8, according to the text, philosophy is best learned by B. Philosophizing. It is the best way to understand and learn philosophy is philosophizing by oneself. And number 9, what does it mean to question the apparent? That means to challenge and critically analyze accepted truth everyone is accepting. That is number 9. Number 9 is what we call B. And then number 10, the final question is, Philosophy is described as a rational and critical enterprise because it focuses only on religion, uses reason, analyze, and evaluation to solve problem. C. Avoid reasoning. D. Depends on emotion. The answer is B. It uses reasoning and analyzing